In today's episode, I'm going to be guiding you through a quick and simple process on how to redeem Razer Gold gift card online. Redeeming your Razer Gold gift card online is a quick and straightforward process which can be done in a few steps. First of all, open a web browser and go to the URL box and type in gold.razer.com and search. If you don't have an account yet, you will need to create a new account and then log into your existing account for Razer Gold. Now, from the main home page after logging in, go ahead and click on the reload option at the top right hand corner. Now, select the Razer Gold PIN as your payment method under select payment option. Now, go to the bottom of the page and enter your PIN or voucher code in the text box. You will find the PIN code on the back of your physical card or in the email if you received a digital one. Simply go ahead and enter the PIN displayed on your card. After typing in your PIN, click on the next button. Follow the prompts till the end and your Razer Gold balance will be instantly added to your account. You can now use it to purchase games, virtual items and other Razer products or service. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.